I just want to tell you both good luck. I'll keep your son with me.
Thank you.
Thanks, Doctor.
Right.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you. I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you. I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
He's all over the place. 900 feet up to 1,300 feet.
He's all over the place. 900 feet up to 1,300 feet? What an asshole.
Striker, you can't come straight in. You've got enough fuel left for 2 hours flying. You've got to stay up there till we get a break in the weather.
I'll take it, Ellen. Listen, Trelevin, I'm coming in. Do you hear me? I'm coming in right now. We have people up here, including my own son, who'll die in less than 1 hour, never mind 2. I may bend your precious airplane, but I'll bring it down. Now get on with the landing check. I'm putting the gear down now.
Watch your altitude, Striker. You're too erratic. You can't come straight in. You got enough fuel left for 2 hours of flying.
I'll take it, Elaine. Listen to me, Kramer. We have people up here who will die in less than an hour, let alone 2. I may bend your precious airplane, but I'll get it down. I'm putting the landing gear down now.
Ted,
Yes?
I just wanted you to know now. I'm very proud.
Tell them the gear is down and we're ready to land.
The gear is now down, and we're ready to land.
Ted,
Yes?
I wanted you to know now. I'm very proud.
Tell them the gear is down and we're ready to land.
The gear is down, and we're ready to land.
Sound your alarm bell now.
All right, everybody get in crash position.
Sound your alarm bell now.
All right, now everybody get in crash position.
The brakes. Pull that right handle. Get this rigid. Hold her steady. Watch your nose. It's too low. You're coming in too hot. Remember your brakes and switches. Get ready to flare it out. You're coming in too fast. Now these are down. Down. Lift the nose. Throttle back.
The brake. Pull the right handle. Striker, lift your nose. Straighten your wings. Coming in too fast. Watch your speed. He's coming right at us. Coming in too hot. Ease up on the prime. Watch for that crosswind. Level it out. Aim for the numbers. Let the dip your left wing. We're drifting. Keep your eyes on the far end of the runway. You're too low, damn it! Watch your stall speed. Wow! These are down! Down!
Striker, you all right?
Okay.
Ted, that was probably the lousiest landing in the history of this airport. But there's some of us here, particularly me, who'd like to buy you a drink and shake your hand. We're coming over.
Stryker, you all right?
Yeah. We're okay.
Ted, that was probably the lousiest landing in the history of this airport. There's some of us here, particularly me, would like to buy you a drink and shake your hand. And Ted, I just want you to know that when the going got rough,
Okay, all right. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you for flying Trans-American.
loneliness, that's the bottom line. I was never happy as a child.